If you're seeing a Facebook error when uploading a post, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether Facebook is failing to upload your post, freezing, or giving you a page error, these simple steps can help you get back on track. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. First, check if the page URL is correct. Sometimes the issue is as simple as opening the wrong page or loading a broken link. If you were sent to Facebook through a bookmark or saved link, double-check that the address is correct. A small URL issue can stop a post from uploading properly. Next, refresh the page or reload your browser. A temporary glitch in Facebook or your browser can cause upload problems, and a quick refresh often clears it right up. On most browsers, you can click the refresh button at the top or press the reload shortcut on your keyboard. After that, try uploading your post again. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with Facebook loading properly. Go into your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear cached images, files, and cookies. Once that's done, close the browser completely, reopen it, log back into Facebook, and try again. Another important step is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the upload process and trigger an error. Try switching to a stronger Wi-Fi network, disconnecting and reconnecting, or testing another website to see if everything else is loading normally. If your internet is unstable, fix that first before trying the Facebook upload again. If you're still having trouble, try posting from a different browser or device. Sometimes the issue is specific to the browser you're using, and switching to Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or even your mobile app can help. This is a great way to tell whether the problem is with Facebook itself or just your current setup. You can also log out of Facebook and log back in. That refreshes your session and can clear account-related glitches that may be blocking the upload. If needed, restart your browser or device afterward and try the post one more time. So to quickly recap, if Facebook gives you an error uploading a post, first check the page URL, then refresh the page, clear your browser cache and cookies, and make sure your internet connection is stable. If needed, try another browser or device and sign in again. I hope this helped you fix the problem. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Facebook issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.